Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Corolla starter. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and extensions. Always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands on a level surface before beginning any work underneath. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Once prepared, locate the starter motor, which is typically found on the transmission side of the engine block. Carefully disconnect the main power wire and the smaller solenoid wire from the starter. Next, use the appropriate socket to remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the starter in place. Be mindful of any surrounding components as you work to free the old unit. Now, carefully position the new starter into its mounting bracket, ensuring it aligns correctly. Hand tighten the mounting bolts first to prevent cross-threading, then use your ratchet to tighten them securely. Reconnect the smaller solenoid wire and then the main power cable to the new starter. Double-check all connections to ensure they are snug and properly seated for reliable operation. With the new starter installed, reconnect the negative battery terminal firmly. Before lowering the vehicle, perform a quick test by starting the engine to confirm the new starter functions correctly. Listen for a strong, consistent crank. Finally, lower your vehicle and clean up your workspace. For other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.